We're the Huston sisters. Hey y'all, we're the Huston sisters. Hey, so today we're going to be doing a yummy, quick, simple family style veggie/vegan stir fry.
And as you can see, we have all of our ingredients laid out. We have our veggie noodles right here, the rice under it. We have our other veggies, which include squash, zucchini, scallions, peas, onions, and garlic, you guys. And everything else is going to be laid out in the front.
All right, so stay tuned. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and click that like button. It helps others to be able to see our videos just as you want to see them. Make sure you also share and subscribe. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So we are going to go ahead and add our oil. For flavor and to cook our vegetables. Alright. We got to get some sauteing going on really quick. Go ahead and dump all these in here. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our veggies. Now it's time to do a little seasoning. Can y'all hear those vegetables sizzling? Seasoning is optional, but we do prefer it. We're going to mix these in here. We do like a little crunch on our vegetables. So we're going to let them cook until they get just right. All right, we're finished with our vegetables. So we're going to go ahead and transfer it back to this bowl. Let's see if we can do it without dropping them. Stop it. All right, we've got to grease this pan again. Our good old vegan butter and our flavor oil. All right, y'all, and we gotta have some more flavor. All right, we're gonna save some for the end. I'm gonna let this saute really good. We love onions because they just flavor your dish so well. If you don't like onions, you gotta at least eat them cooked in your food. All right, more veggies. Now, even though this is a healthy food, y'all know I love my butter and grease, and
sure is using a lot of that vegan butter.
Healthy. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and add our starch in here. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add us some more of our flavor oil. And then we're going to go ahead and season it up. Give it a quick stir. Not too much. Y'all, we don't like to measure it. We just like to get a good eye of our season and put it in there. But just for you all, we're going to have this recipe in our recipe book so that you all can go back and look at it and have the recipe for yourself. Add a little bit more flavor to it. Alright, y'all, we're going to go ahead and add our other veggies back to this. And for this serves about 5 healthy adults for us. So you and your family are gonna love this recipe. Even the kids will enjoy it. And this is a great way to get your kids to eat their veggies. Just mix that in there really good. And it's really already done. Quick and easy 30-minute meal, guys. Alright. We're going to go ahead and transfer this to another bowl. And we're going to cook in some more starch for you guys, some noodles. Some of our family members like to mix their noodles with their rice, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And then I like to put eggs in mine, so I'll show you guys that at the end. Yep. Alright guys, I'm just going to put just a little bit of oil in here in these noodles. I'm going to go ahead and dump them in here. Alright, we've already got our rice flavored really well. So only thing I'm going to do is just flavor the noodles just a tiny bit. And get them broken up a little bit. Get them warm. We're gonna add a little bit more sauce to this too, because the ones that like theirs this way, there's some saucy people. All right, now let's go ahead and mix all this together. Get all that yumminess. All right, y'all. This is all done. I'm gonna show you how I do the egg next.
Okay.
All right, y'all. So time for the eggs. I don't like meat in mine all the time, so when I don't have meat and we just do a veggie, I do like to put eggs in it for my protein. If you wanna have the egg taste, you can use just egg. Brittany didn't want any today, so we're not doing it for her today. Go ahead and get this butter melted. And like I said, I'm not vegan, so I can have real butter and real eggs. I can do veggies sometimes, but I'm not vegan. All right, we're gonna go ahead and crack these eggs. And I think I'm gonna do 3 eggs, y'all.
3 eggs?
Okay, Brittany, I'll just do 2. She act like they her eggs or something. Okay, let me wipe my hands. All right, get these eggs cooking. And we're just gonna scramble them in here.
Maybe you should have used 3.
Oh, now she want me to use 3, y'all.
I just looked at all that rice.
I know what I'm doing.
It just seems like a lot.
Now she said 3, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and add the other one I wanted in there. Cause this is what helps fill me up. This is my protein for today. Add our rice. And we're just gonna mix it in there. And now we have more beautiful yellow color. Alright guys, it's time for the taste test. I know it's gonna be yummy because it always, oh, Brittany, you forgot about our
scallions. We like to put the scallions on top, uncooked as well, because it adds a little bit of crunch, you guys.
An extra flavor. Okay. Let me get me some vegetables. It's good as usual.
It's really good, you guys.
You can always add a little bit more soy sauce. Like I said, we're saucy. And then sometimes we also add a little bit more teriyaki to it. We don't like to do it in the beginning because sometimes you might put too much or it may make it too soggy, but it's just right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Check the description for our website. It's HustonSisters.com, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.